Search free watermark remover and you'll get hundreds of tools. Most fail on video, almost none work on AI music. Here's what actually works in 2026, including how to strip Suno watermarks for free. 3 groups search this. TikTok creators removing platform logos, video editors stripping free trial watermarks, and AI music producers trying to clear Suno or Udio tracks. Each needs a different approach, and the AI music case is by far the hardest. AI music watermarks aren't visible logos. They're inaudible. Spectral signatures, timing fingerprints, SynthID, C2PA, generator metadata. Distributors scan for all of them at upload and reject your track before it earns a stream. Method 1. Re-encoding in HandBrake or FFmpeg. Free and fast. Works for visible video watermarks if you crop. Useless for AI music. Re-encoding doesn't touch the spectral fingerprints. They survive every conversion. Method 2. Audacity manual processing. Free and powerful. Notch out frequencies, EQ the spectrum. Sounds good in theory. In practice, it misses 80% of the AI fingerprints. Distributors still flag the track. Method 3. Online free watermark removers. They exist, but the free tier caps files at 50 megabytes. The output gets watermarked, and they're designed for visible logos, not the embedded AI fingerprints in your Suno track. Method 4. Undetector. The only browser-based artifact removal engine purpose-built for AI music. Free trial. Scan and preview before you pay. Strips SynthID, C2PA, spectral signatures, timing fingerprints. Under a minute. And the output passes Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. The live demo says it. Before processing, 97% AI detected. After, 2%. From flagged to streaming in under a minute. That's the real free watermark remover for AI music. Full breakdown on popularaitools.ai. Free trial on undetector.com. No credit card needed.